morning to all the students. I'm glad to meet all of you in the computer lab. And also all others Form 2 students. Good morning to all of you. Okay, thank you. So now you look at your friends that is sitting beside you, whether the left side or the right side. Say hi and good morning to your friends. Okay, now you observe. You please observe the attire that is wearing by your friends now. So any difference or not with the attire if we compare with the previous year?
Can you tell me any difference? So what's the difference actually?
What is the difference?
You see the difference?
So actually now your friends is wearing the sport attire, correct or not? Some of them are wearing the sport attire, and then the students from the primary and the secondary school are allowed to wear the sport attire due to the current hot weather. Okay, so the school are advised to monitor the status of the heat wave. So we have to observe whether is normal, that means below 35 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is above 35, from 35 to 37 degrees Celsius, so the school have to alert. And if the level is in a heat wave level, which is above 37, from 37 until 40 degrees Celsius. And the level 4 of the heat wave is an extreme heat wave, where the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius. Then the school have to take the proper action. The proper action to prevent the heat exhaustions and also the heat stroke happen to the school students. So the rising in the temperature is an issue. This is a current issue. And this is a global issue happen in Malaysia, and also the global issue happen in some other countries. So today I will explain in further about the topic of global warming. Do you ever heard about the global warming? Yes, but maybe you don't know actually what is the global warming. So we will discuss in further on today. Okay, so global warming actually is a long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the human activities. So primarily due to the fossil fuel burning. So this is a process that will keep the entire Earth to raise up the temperature. And then our planet will be heating up due to the increase of the level of carbon dioxide. So what is the cause actually? What is the cause that bring to the global warming? So the factor that is responsible to the global warming actually is a phenomenon that we know as a greenhouse effect. So mainly caused by the burning of the fossil fuel burning and the increase in the carbon dioxide. So this activity will cause the increase of the greenhouse gases like the carbon dioxide, CO2, and the methane, CH4, and the nitrous oxide, N2O. This is a greenhouse gases. And normally, actually, we have only 0.3% of the air surrounding us is carbon dioxide. But now we found that this amount has been increasing due to the human activity. Maybe you will ask, why the human activity will cause a carbon dioxide increasing? And why when the carbon dioxide is increasing, it will cause a global warming, right? So the answer is because the carbon dioxide is an agent that will absorb the radiation from the planet. All the radiations that it emits from our Earth will be absorbed by the agent that is the greenhouse gases. One of them is the carbon dioxide. So when the more of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the more it will absorb the heat. And then the heat will trap in the gas and keep in the atmosphere. That's why it will cause the temperature to increase. Can you understand? Okay. So the increasing of the concentration of the greenhouse gases will cause the climate change also. So this is another effect. So maybe you have another questions. Why the carbon dioxide will increase? Just now we mentioned it's increased because of the human activity, right? Okay, now we look at a few of the example of the human activity that will cause the carbon dioxide increase. Okay, so the first, power generation. Okay, so to generate the electricity, we need to use a fossil fuel. Okay, because we need to use a generator. So to use a generator to move and generate the electricity. So this is the sources, and then the process will produce the carbon dioxide and the heat. So the second example is the deforestation. What is this deforestation? Deforestation is referred to the cutting down trees for the housing, for the farming, for the agriculture, for the development, and also other purposes. Okay, so the tree will absorb the carbon dioxide during the photosynthesis. Okay, and then so cutting them will cause increase in the carbon dioxide. Are you agree with me? That means when we reduce the number of the tree, it will increase the intensity of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Correct or not? Okay, so this is the issue. And then the third one is the transportation. All of us need a vehicle every day. So the vehicle to bring us from one place to another place. How to move the vehicle? So actually the vehicle are used the fossil fuel to produce, and it will produce the carbon dioxide at the end. So this is one of the reasons. And another activity is manufacturing goods. So it is involved the factory and the industrial. So during the process to produce the goods, so they are using or they are burning the fossil fuels. So again, it will produce the carbon dioxide actually. Oh, you agree with me? Yes, right? This is the activity. And then another one is consuming too much. Okay? Now every day you are consuming and using. One of these is the electricity. Okay? You use the electricity for all the electrical appliances in your house. Can you name the electrical appliance in your house? What is that? Mobile phone. Some more? Fridge. Some more? TV, aircon, so on. Okay? And then you are using also using also the handphone and all the electronic appliance actually, the electronic appliance. So other than that, you will have different things that you are using every day, like the plastic, like the clothing and all. So actually, this is too much because whether this is necessary or not, sometimes we will buy and use more and more. Okay, so this is the activity, the human activity that will increase the concentration of the carbon dioxide and cause the environment change. Okay, so now we look at one of the video. Okay, we move to a video. Okay, so let us watch a video now before we go to it further about the effect of the global warming. So since we know that why the carbon dioxide increase and why the carbon dioxide will cause the global warming and what is the activity that causes the global warming. Now we we will watch a video and after that we will continue to the effect. Why and what is the effect when the global warming happens. Okay, now we watch the video. You like it or not? How about other students? Do you like the video? Thank you. So actually, after you watch the video, by right, you have a more clear picture about the mechanism, how the carbon dioxide increase and cause the global warming. Okay, so all are in the video. Now, we'll come back here and continue about the effects. Okay, what is the effect of the global warming? Okay. So look at the first one, the effect. Rising temperature. You will feel more hot. So the more hot days and heat waves will causing the droughts in certain parts of the countries. So it will happen. Okay, and then because of the water shortage. And then the second one, the severe storm. More severe and frequent rainfall causing the flooding and landslide. So this happened also in Malaysia now. Correct or not? And recently happened also in Ipoh. There's a lot of places flooding after the raining, the heavy rain. Okay? And then the next is the ocean becomes warmer. Okay? So the ice will melt, like you watch in the video, and the sea level rise, and then it will cause the coastal and also the island community. Okay, the people living there to be affected as well as the marine life also. Okay, so this is the effect. And number 4 is due to the forest fire. Okay, and the extreme weather, it will kill the animals, it will kill the certain species in the jungle. Okay, so there is the extinction of the species happen. So this is another effect. And then the next is, this is a high level of the pollution because of the high level of pollution, and then the consider the condition favorable to the pathogen. So we were facing the health risks. Like example, malaria. Okay, we will keep on increasing, and then we will increase the hunger and also the poor nutrition at certain country where it will cause the death happen, especially to the teenager and the children. So all this is an effect, the effect of the environment, and then cause the global warming. Okay. So now, all of you understand about the effect and also the okay, all of you can understand. Now, this is the time you answer the questions. Okay? Or you should answer a few questions if you really understand. Okay? Look at the questions here. Okay? The first one, what is the cause of the global warming? No, you write down your answer first. Okay? Later I will call your name to answer. The chat or to the paper, you can write down. What's the cause of
the first station.
You are given 2 minutes time to write down your answer. Okay, any of you have the answer? Rebecca, can you give me your answer? Deforestation is a human activity, not the cause of the global warming. Okay? So any others have an answer? Or from other students? Can you give me the answer? Student from This is not clear. Can you repeat your answer? Can you repeat the answer? Any of you have the answer?
Release of carbon dioxide.
Others? How about Ali, do you have the answer? Can you answer my questions? Can you repeat louder? Okay, there's a long answer, okay? So the answer from Eileen is global warming occurs because of the carbon dioxide and also other pollutants that will collect in the atmosphere, and it will absorb, okay? It will absorb the heat from the atmosphere, trap the heat, and then cause the temperature of the earth to increase. Okay, so this is the answer from Eileen. So the conclusion is the answer for these questions have to refer to the increase in the level of carbon dioxide. Yes, the increase in the carbon dioxide, or the increase in the emission of the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere because of due to the human activities. So that is the answer. Okay, look at the questions too. Okay, this is a question number 2. Name one activity that increases the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay, you need to name one activity. Okay, so just now I already named a few of the activity, so you can name more than that. Okay, or you can name other than the activities that I have listed down just now. Okay. So I think very fast you can answer the questions, right? Okay, so from Wing Shen, what is the activity that will increase the carbon dioxide? What's your answer? Please, router.
Battery is low. Please recharge in time.
Transportation. Okay? Because using of the transportation from one place to another place. Okay? So any other answer from Selena? Selena, your answer? Huh? Burning the fossil fuel due to what kind of activity? What is the activity? We are referring to the activity. Using chemical for what are the purpose? You use the chemical. What are the activity? What is the activity? Not the cause that cause the carbon dioxide increase. Just now the answer is one is a transportation. How about others? Cutting down trees. Deforestation. Okay, deforestation. Any other answer from other students? From other classes? Lucasi, what is your answer? Can you name one of the activity? Other than the deforestation, transportation, what else? Other activity that will increase the carbon dioxide. Climate change is not the activity. Okay? So, Eileen, you have any others answer? Huh? Use? Pardon? Can you speak louder? Use of the vehicle. Just now we mentioned already the transportation, okay? So you can write down others activities. Okay, now we come to the next questions. State one of the effect when the carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere. What is the effect? Okay. So global warming caused by the increase of the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere due to the activity. So just now we discussed about the activity. Okay, you answer the activity. Now come to the effect. You need to state one effect when the carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere.
Battery is low. Please recharge in time.
Okay, so students from class Cikgu Farah Zaitun. So can you answer? Can you give me your answer? Or you have a question to ask? Okay, never mind. You will give some time to write your answer. Think about the effect. So, anything you want to give me the answer. Okay? So this is regarding to the climate change due to the increase of the carbon dioxide. So one of the effect is the climate change. So from Radical, sea level rise. Okay, so there is an effect, sea level rise. The rising of the sea level. So any other answer? Yes? Unpredictable seasons. Okay? So maybe before this, the winter is shorter, and then now this is become longer. Now become longer. So this is called the unpredictable seasons. Okay? So all this is the answer for the effect when the carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere. Okay, so maybe we have early snow melt and also the disappear of the glaciers, okay, and so on. So all this will happen. This is the effect when the global warming keep on increasing. Okay, so all of you understand more about the global warming now? Okay, so that is what we are having for today. Okay, so you answer the questions and then you can send to me. Okay, your answer through the telephone. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all the girls.
Thank you.